Yo, you know, I would have done an install video on this, but took too much fucking work. But my God, look at the screen, baby! Woo! Music off so you know, YouTube doesn't eat me up. Wow, look at that. Never had a touchscreen before. I will say right now, this AirPlay screen modernizes the entire interior. Like if you were thinking about grabbing a newer IS because you want all the new functions, it's exactly what I was thinking. Screw that. Got the nice dash front, or the screen up here from BTI. I mean, that gives me all my engine readings. I gotta fix the gauge cluster there, so don't worry about it. But I mean, this right here, man, this is beautiful. This thing, so what's cool about this new Pioneer screen is that it mirrors your iPhone. So watch, we'll hit mode. Look at all the apps. Oh, dude, that's so sick. Isn't that dope? Just mirrors all the apps. So if we go to phone, who I've called, I think actually it runs it by voice so that you can do it while you're driving. That's neat. Okay, recents. Who we got? Pirooz, Scott. All right. Hold on. Stop playing. I didn't tell you to play right now. So we'll go back. That's cool. It's got a little iPhone button too. That's dope. I think it reads out your messages to you. I was playing Spotify. Pretty much most of the apps that'll run through audio, it'll punch them in right here. So this is freaking sweet. Let's play something more proximity. This song's dope. You skip. Oh yeah. Oh, that's dope. Oh man, this is gangster. Cars coming along, man. Look at it. This interior's beautiful. Now I got the sweet screen to match it. Bruh, come on. What do you want? This is Ed's car. His name's ED42AC on Instagram or some shit like that. This is one of Pirooz's buddies. Kind of contacted me through Instagram. He's the one that bought my RM54 setup. So I'm going to be installing this in his car. He ended up paying me to do this, which is awesome. Right now it's stock twins on the 2J. Like I said, I think it's the Aristo motor. Maybe this is the Super motor. Can't really tell. I don't know how to tell the difference. It's definitely GTE though. But yeah, the stock twins over there. Looks pretty good. It's actually kind of a fun car to drive around as a daily. These ones are a little bit laggier though, especially compared to the 1JZ. These twin turbos don't come on until like $4 grand. At least that's what it feels like. But overall, it's a fun car. This car is so much more fun, like, to drive daily than mine is. Not power-wise, but like comfortability-wise, because the stock suspension's so floaty and so bouncy. So when you have the 2J twin turbos, it's just like feels so good. I'm using MTL because there was no more red line MC90. Hopefully this will fix the second gear synchro pop-out issue that this trans sometimes has. And then, what else are we doing? That's the ACT clutch that's held up perfectly fine. I got a few new seals for him. The drive shaft seal, the rear main seal. While we're in there, you might as well do it. And the shifter housing on this one, because this shifter seal is disgusting. Well, so far so good. Everything's going pretty smoothly. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that fucking monster. Oh my God. It hurts to look at. Jesus Christ. Look at that fucking thing. Oh man. Look at those effing wheels. Oh my God. Absolutely nuts. They're tucking too.
They look ridiculous.
They're tucking too.
Yeah.
You didn't adjust the height at all?
No.
I don't even want Volks anymore. Jesus Christ. See, once this guy and me became friends, he started doing some seriously dumb shit to his car. Like this.
Both of us.
Oh my God. You smell good. What are you wearing?
Nothing.
What the fuck?
I'm naked.
That's fucking sick. It looks nuts, dude. It's popping.
What up?
Jesus Christ. I like those calipers a lot better than the old ones. Those are sick. He's got his new turbo.
It's
He's
not
finally got his drag wheels. He's got to just, and he put, so if you guys want to run drag wheels in the SC, you have to run Evo 8 rear calipers. If you don't want to pay for like the really expensive custom shit.
Or NA calipers.
Or NA calipers if you're a fag, but those are cool. Ooh, that's a nice looking turbo. It looks way better than the other one. It's not like, the other one like was a chrome polish or something like that. Yeah. But it didn't even look polished. It just looked like it was fucking dirty all the time. This looks good. Oh, very nice.
New intercooler piping and shit.
Oh, did he weld everything down? They did 3-inch?
Yeah.
What? Fucking David, nice work.
Why is the R154 not done?
I mean, it started like 3 hours ago. 2 hours we've been sitting eating.
2 hours?
I'm not in a rush to pull it out. I was just like going through it slowly.
Yeah, I haven't eaten anything.
This is how you know I'm a nice guy. Well, I kind of like hooked him up. I could have just like left the seal on there with the RTV that I used, but I mean, look at how shitty this thing is.
Holy Christ.
Yeah. This is what I was using. This is why mine was leaking before, because this seal was a piece of crap. So I'll just.
It's a new seal for Mr. Man.
Pretty much.
And then rear main. Wow, what a nice. Man.
And a rear main. Look good with the Volks up front, but I mean, at the end of the day, who gives a flying fuck? Looks insane
They're
though.
gonna look at the back and they're only gonna see the back.
Yeah, that looks crazy. All right, let's go for a ride in the new and improved. Jesus, fucking what are those? Those are so big, my God.
That's what she said.
Take a fun little trip down memory lane since we are back in the SC. Everybody asked for a full feature on this car. I'll do a full feature when you can promise me fucking views, dudes. Jesus, man. I wish I could turn this thing into a career already. I'm gonna sound like a whiny bitch. I'm gonna stop. Oh, here we go. Blue seatbelts, because race ready.
I can retreat this shit.
Why, what do you mean?
Like for the new turbo so it runs better. Because sometimes it breaks up.
Well, it's not warm yet either. Is it? No, maybe it is, kind of.
It's just
Fresh, giving people hope of what? Fresh can E85 and this new turbo, but it's just, we need to retune on it, but it's still pretty fast. Sounds good. Watch this bump, waiting for this bump. Right here. Oh no, it gets it. What are you doing? Holy Christ. Oh my God, he's crazy in drag radials, you psycho!
6910 piece cardboard, the nuggets. And then could I get the
How long can I have nuggets?
number 2? Then again? Number 2?